let's talk about the eSEO ranking system. This eSpeakers search engine optimization is what ranks speakers in the search results within the eSpeakers directory. A better ranking gives you a better chance to be seen on our site and possibly connect with buyers. Here's how we break down the points. Not all these points are eligible for all the plans. If you're on the basic plan, you can only score a maximum of 45 points. But if you're on the Pro or the Plus plan, you could score up to 100 points. Those with the highest eSEO score will show up at the top of the search results within the eSpeakers directory. The biggest item you can put in is video. Video gets up to 25 points, with up to 6 videos on your profile. These are great to show you speaking in front of an audience. One of these could be a video directly to meeting planners. You also get a point for every photo, article, book jacket, or PDF that you upload. It's good to have some photos of you speaking in front of an audience or professional photos. For recommendations, you can get 5 points for verified recommendations and 3 points for unverified recommendations, as well as 10 points if you've been hired through the eSpeakers marketplace. For using your calendar, you get some points as well. For an upcoming event, you get plus 5 points, and for confirmed future events, another 5. And if you're using your calendar regularly, you get another 10 points. If you haven't used your calendar in the last 60 days, you lose that 10 points. That's how we incentivize people to use their calendars by pushing them to the top of the rankings. For programs, you can get another 10 points by listing programs that you teach. You get 7 points for the first program and then 1 point for every additional, up to 3 more, so a total of 10. If your fee range is not empty, you get another 10 points. And if you have virtual fees, there's another 5. Now, these rankings are subject to change because we do tweak our algorithm. But let me show you how the recommendations on your dashboard can help increase your score. So I'm here on Zeke Ridge's profile, and I see on the side here, he's got an eSEO marketing score of 93%. And there's a suggestion here to add speaking fees. And I get this handy little button. I don't have to navigate and go to edit your profile and find it out. I just click this Fix It button and I go right there to where I need to go to add some fees. Now, Zeke has virtual fees, but he didn't have any on-site fees. So let me add a range between 8,000 and 11,000. And I'll save it. And instead of 93%, the score that I used to have, when I go back to the dashboard, now my score is 98% because I followed the SEO recommendations. Why don't you take some time now to update your profile with some of the items we've discussed? Your programs, your calendar, your fees, and your media, and increase your eSpeakers SEO.